Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. As we drive along Lickton Pike, we are traveling through one of the quieter historic corridors just north of Nashville, Tennessee. This road passes through neighborhoods that developed gradually as the city expanded outward during the early 20th century. Long before modern traffic and suburban growth, this area was mostly farmland, with small family homesteads spread across rolling hills and open countryside. The name Lickton is believed to come from early settlers connected to nearby mineral springs, often called licks, where animals gathered to find salt deposits. Roads like this often followed older paths used by farmers transporting goods into Nashville markets. During the late 1800s and early 1900s, this region began to change as improved roads and streetcar routes allowed people to live farther from the busy city center. Modest homes, churches, and local schools appeared, creating tight-knit communities that still shape the character of the area today. Many of the neighborhoods along Lickton Pike reflect mid-century growth, especially after the Second World War, when returning veterans and growing families fueled new housing development across Davidson County. While modern businesses and traffic have arrived, the road still feels residential and local, offering a glimpse of everyday life away from Nashville's tourist districts. Trees lining the roadway and older homes mixed with newer construction show how the area has evolved over generations while maintaining a calm neighborhood atmosphere. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy.